Hello everybody.
Hey, welcome back.
I'm Peter.
Kitra.
And we are Ordinary Adventures, and today we're hoping to go on something new.
The Jurassic World ride.
Yeah.
Opened without anybody knowing when it was supposed to open, but
we are here at the soft opening.
Yeah.
I guess it's what they call the technical rehearsal, and we're hoping to get on it today. So come on with us. We got annual passes.
Woohoo, we're back, baby. We're universal pass holders again.
Let's do this.
Look at all these wait times for everything. It's so crowded.
Here's the wait time listings. Jurassic World, estimated 240-minute wait. But we're gonna do this thing. We're gonna do it. Oh my god, look at that. Big T-Rex on the side of the building now. The Jurassic World arches. And there's the future site of Nintendo Land right over there.
Can I just say, it is so hot and I cannot wait to get in that water, even though it's going to be 4 hours from now.
This line is long. I don't think I've ever seen the Jurassic Park line this long. It just keeps like going and going and going.
Alright, so we technically just got to the back of the line and it's 3:15. So we'll keep you updated.
Yeah, let's see how long this takes. By the way, you're holding your phone up and it says nothing. One thing that's interesting about the line is it has these display screens, but they're like in this ultra widescreen aspect ratio.
We'll use a series of hand signals that I've developed to communicate basic instructions. The only piece of equipment I use is this. So here, let you know what to do there, Tom.
So we think it's going to be about a 2.5 hour wait. And you know what? It's hot out today. You like to give these things crap, these misting fans. How much do you love the misting fan right now?
Take it all back, I love them. Universal, good job.
That tiny mosquito fed on a single drop of dinosaur blood. Now, the dinosaur probably never felt it, but that one mosquito bite gave it immortality.
It's interesting, the inline videos have the stars of the movie. It has Chris Pratt, Bryce and Wong. Yes. So this takes place before the original Jurassic World. This is a prequel to Jurassic World.
Yeah, there wouldn't be a ride if we were going based on the current movie.
Wait, does this take place during Jurassic World?
I think so. We're like in Jurassic World. We're at the theme park right now.
So when things go wrong, that's when the things went wrong in the first movie?
Spoiler alert, first of all. I don't know, I think we're supposed to be at the park, but it's not set in the current timeline because there is no park anymore.
You saying this isn't canon?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So I discovered an Easter egg on this diagram right here. It has a man, and the height, the exact height is actually the exact height of Chris Pratt. I love this image right here of someone's hat coming off and smacking someone in the row behind its head. Pretty good. You excited?
So excited.
I'm so excited to see what this is.
We only ended up waiting 2 hours, by the way.
Not bad at all. By the way, our friend Jeff is here too.
By popular demand, he's back.
In the age of the dinosaurs, a vast ocean was home to an explosion of life. At the top of the food chain sat the Mosasaurus, apex predator of the deep.
You are clear for entry.
Likes to splash around in the water. You may even see our new baby Stegosaurus, one of the latest additions to our Jurassic World family. Home to some of Jurassic World's most powerful creatures.
We have a containment alert. We should not be return point. Sir, Blue is out of containment. Asset containment units to Predator Code. Repeat, ACU to Predator Code. Code red. Iron systems going down across the board.
Catch me if you kill this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Clare, dear. Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please,
A security team is deployed. They will get you safe.
wet.
Seriously. Future Peter here. I just learned from a cast member that they have not gotten the water cannons to go at the end of the Jurassic World ride. So that's why we didn't get wet. So they're hoping to launch that, which could be. Anyways, back to the past. So right here is where you can do your photo pickup. I think eventually they're gonna do a slow motion thing, but that's not ready right now. Okay, so we have ridden Jurassic World the ride. I gotta say, I was skeptical, but I actually really liked it. I liked the improvements. I liked the Mosasaurus sequence, which you get soaked. I actually got more soaked in that part than any of the other parts of the ride. And I like the battle between the T-Rex and the Indominus Rex, and now that you have like a real raptor from the movies in there, it is missing a little bit of the charm of the original Jurassic Park the ride. What do you think?
I agree with everything you said. I was worried that like a lot of the old animatronics weren't going to be there, but a lot, I'd say 75% of them are still there.
Your Brontosaurus wasn't.
Yeah, and the little like tug-of-war guys who are like, is that right? They're
yeah.
Like, yeah, they're not there. Yeah, which I wish they could have like stuck them somewhere, but I really like the indoor area. It's a lot better now, I think. And I'm happy the T-Rex is still at the end, but yeah, you get drenched like in the beginning. Usually on Universal rides, like they like to spray water on you, but like this was like a downpour and it all went on me.
I usually don't like screens, and they actually looked pretty cool. I'm not sure like what resolution they were doing the video from or something, but it looked very solid.
I don't think I liked it as much as you guys did. It's got some cool stuff in it. The Mosasaur screen section is pretty neat. Again, animatronics are always much cooler. I felt like the original Jurassic Park ride had many more little scenes as you went through, and this one I felt like didn't have as much, that I was like waiting for things to happen. You don't get like the cool Jeep falling sequence, which was broken for like what, the past like 2 years of the life of Jurassic Park the ride.
By the way, it was always broken. Even like when it was fixed, it would be broken. Yeah.
So the end sequence is pretty cool with the T-Rex and the Indominus, but the raptor chewing the wire, he's back. So
and the raptor moves out, like the one at the end actually moves out and comes.
There was blood that I was not expecting.
Yeah.
The one thing that I loved about the old Jurassic Park ride is right at the end when you're about to get off, there was like that one little guy that would come squirt you, and he's not there anymore. I was like waiting for like the final squirt of water, and that wasn't there.
I don't love the color scheme of this ride. Like, you see it right behind me there, muted, it's very boring.
The original Jurassic Park had all the charm of supposed to be like from 65 million years ago, and we don't have that anymore. Now it feels very antiseptic, it's very modern, like the screens are cool, but it just doesn't have the charm. And that was a criticism of Jurassic World the movie versus Jurassic Park. Jurassic World felt modern and it felt corporatized, where Jurassic Park had all this charm that John Hammond put into the park that was lost when he died. So that feels this very same way here on this ride.
And my other criticism is some of the theming. Universal Hollywood, I don't understand it. Like, we make movies here, but Universal Orlando seems to get theming better than we do most times. Like, whenever there's like blood splatters, it seems like they overdo it with blood splatters or like claw marks or whatever. Like, it seems like they're unsure that people are gonna get it, so they put like 10 times the amount that's needed. But I think we both loved it.
Yeah, I liked it a lot.
And you liked it?
I liked it, didn't love it. I mean, and I'll be honest to say that yes, Jurassic Park, the ride, needed an update. Half the animatronics didn't work, but I wish they would have tweaked those and kind of brought them back up to scale, as opposed to just kind of doing away with most of it. Yeah.
Well, I'm glad it's getting some love. I'm glad it's back, and I'm glad there's like 4-hour lines to see this thing. Anyways, if you like more of our stuff, theme park videos, movie adventures, what should we do?
You should probably subscribe to our channel.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Yes.
And we'll see you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching.